Nutella. Why is it such a mess? What even is the Nutella? Mom, there's something seriously wrong with the cupboard. Hi guys! Welcome back to Eliza's World. I'm Eliza.
I'm Leanne and we're back
from a 2-week break.
Did you miss us? Did you? Did you? Well, Eliza's not been missing the state of this cupboard, I can tell you. Now, if you're one of these people, Janet, that has a perfect cupboard and would never allow anything to go past date, then you probably don't want to watch this. But if you have a sinful cupboard like we do, where it is full of monsters and grossness,
as you saw in the video,
in a very highly edited intro, yes, we have a problem, and the problem is this cupboard. I mean, even the Marmite is trying to escape. It's so disgusted with the state of this cupboard that even it is trying to escape.
Yeah, but we also have the touch of some frosting, which I'm going to use on a cake. I want to use on a cake soon.
If you see, we have got some remnants of when I last organised it. There are some baskets in there, but since then things have multiplied, overgrown, bred, and perhaps even gone feral. So we're going to organise this.
I'm tall.
Okay, so we're going to organise this and you can watch if you want. I know it sounds a bit weird, but why not? Nothing else to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. What we need to do is empty all of these cupboards, but as we empty them, we need to put things in groups, and we also need to check the dates on stuff. So we'll be doing that, and we'll probably fast forward through this bit.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll put all of the cups over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you start moving the cups and mugs carefully.
Look, guys, there's spaghetti, but I don't know why it's opened. Okay, this is our cupboard completely empty.
Oh my god, it is
de-spidered.
awful.
Yeah, we need to do some major cleaning. I think it's out of date though. So everyone, I am organising. This is a little place where we have some icings, and so these are icings just in normal tubes, and then these are some like powders we can like put onto cakes and stuff like, and then these are kind of like wafers. I think I'm gonna put these in. So these are going to go in. I'm going to push them up to the very back, and then I'm going to push these right here. And as you can see, there are two blues because two of the sets came with blues. And then in here, let's put these with this. Then in here, we can just put these three things. Oh, they actually fit. That's cool. Yay!
So, to organise this as best as I could, what I've done is I've put all my spices into one basket, and then in another basket I've put all of my different herbs. And then Eliza's going to show you some bits that she's organised, but let me just pop these away first.
This right here. Then we have syrup packets. These are for my dad, but they're nice. Yeah. These go here.
Uh-huh.
Yay. Now, in here we have the packets. And these go
On the top shelf next to the sauces.
oh yes. The top shelf next to the sauces. Then we have the shelf I organised. And that goes right next to the one right here. There you go. And then our shelf is complete.
So guys, what do you think?
Yeah, what do you think?
I am absolutely thrilled with this. It looks super, super organised. Just what I wanted it to look like, and it got out of control, as these things do in cupboards. Everything is so much easier to just get now and lighter. All the baking stuff's there, all the spices are over here. I've got some of my jars up there as well.
Yeah, these are the soups, these are the decorations, and these are the packets.
That's right, so everything's easy to access and everything is super, super easy to find what we have now. So I'm really pleased. And even the Marmite doesn't look disgusted anymore.
Yeah, I think he is.
Even though it is disgusted.
Yeah, I think it's happy where it is.
Yeah. So guys,
What do you think? And leave a comment down below if you want to see more organisation videos.
yeah, let us know if you want to see any in the insides of our cupboards.
Ugh, we have a lot of freaking.
Yeah, let's not open. Let's not. No. Let's keep that one a secret.
So guys,
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Eliza's vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Hit that like button in the face.
Covers.
Oh.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.